All right, time for more math with angles. If you remember last time, we were working on TEK 4.7e, which was determining the measurement of an unknown angle using the known adjacent angles. And remember, those adjacent angles are the ones that are just next to each other, like apartments that share a wall. The adjacent angles will share a ray. It's like the wall in between angles. So we're going to take a look in our book, actually on page 793, because you are going to see things that look like this. Don't get scared when you see all those lines. Just focus on what you know and what they're asking you. So I see right away what I know. I see angle FGH equals 90 degrees. FGH equals 90 degrees. What this also means is if this is a straight line and FGH equals 90 degrees, I know that FGE is also going to equal 90 degrees. Because if it's on a straight line and this divides those two angles, you look here, I'm just going to draw with my picture to kind of highlight these two angles right here. If one is a 90-degree angle, the other one has to be a 90-degree angle also. That's just the rules of angles. So when I focus on what I know, and then I look over here at number 5, what they're asking, what is the measure of angle FGJ if angle JGH measures 22 degrees? So I'm going to look at angle JGH. So I'm going to just go like this. I'm going to go JGH because that helps me see it better. Okay, so I see that little one. And then they say, what is the measure of angle FGJ? So then I'm going to take a look at F down to G and out to J. Well, this is like the one we did in our video yesterday. So I know FGH equals 90 degrees. And I know this one right here measures 22 degrees. So that is like when we do our fact family, we would say 22 plus question mark, or if we want to be really math about it, we could say X. So we say 22 plus X equals 90 degrees. And we know if we flip our fact families around to figure out what this would be, that'd be 90 minus 22, 8, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So that means that this angle right in here equals 68 degrees. So I could put angle FGJ equals 68 degrees. All right, let's go on to this one here. What is the measure of angle KGF if angle EGK measures 59 degrees? So first I'm going to look at my known angle, EGK. If you don't have highlighters, you can use your pencil and then erase like I did for the first one. EGK. That's that one right there. Okay. And they said it is 59 degrees. You could use colored pencils. You could use pens, whatever you need to help you keep these angles straight. That one's 59 degrees. And they want to know KGF. So KGF is going to be right here. I see K to G and then back up to F here. So this can be that blue angle. So this is very similar to the last one we did. So we're going to call this angle Y. Okay. So I know that EGF or FGE equals 90 degrees. All right. And then I know if I do, that would equal 59 plus Y. If I work my fact families around again, that's going to end up being 90 minus 59, and then that's going to equal Y. So we're going to have to borrow again here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So angle Y, or angle KGF, equals 31 degrees. Don't forget your label with the little degrees there. Don't forget to circle your answer so we know exactly which one you mean. If I wanted to double check, of course, I could just do 59 plus 31. 9 plus 1 is 0. 1 is 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I get 90 degrees, which is the angle of the measurement of EGF. So, ladies and gentlemen, when finding those unknown measures, if you see a figure with a whole bunch of lines shooting out of it like this, don't freak out. You got this. You just take what you know, and then you look at what they're asking and figure it out. Because the subtraction and addition isn't very hard. It's always going to be numbers, usually 180 or less, but always 360 or less, because that's the biggest measure when it comes to angles, is 360 degrees, which is a complete circle. So have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Have fun finding measurements of unknown angles, and we will see you again later.